Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that can make or break your first impression: how to smell good. It's not just about using cologne, but rather a combination of good hygiene, grooming, and awareness of your surroundings. Let me tell you a story about my friend Max. Max was a charming guy, always dressed impeccably and had a great personality. However, he had one major flaw: he smelled terrible. Max used cologne as a cover-up, but it only made things worse. I once asked him if he'd been to a fish market that day, and he looked at me like I was crazy. It wasn't until I went to his apartment one day that I realized the issue. His apartment was a complete mess, with dirty dishes in the sink, clothes all over the floor, and a strong odor of garbage. It wasn't just his body odor, his environment was causing him to smell bad too. So, with that in mind, let's talk about some tips for smelling good. Tip 1. Shower regularly. The first and most important tip is to shower regularly. Make sure to use soap and shampoo to clean your body and hair thoroughly. This will help remove dirt, sweat, and odor-causing bacteria. Pay special attention to your underarms, groin, and feet. These areas are prone to sweat and can cause body odor. Tip 2. Take care of your oral hygiene. Your mouth is another area that can affect how you smell. Bad breath is a major turn-off, so make sure to brush your teeth twice a day, floss, and use mouthwash regularly. You can also keep some breath mints or gum handy for a quick freshening up throughout the day. There are also products specifically designed for freshening your breath, like tongue scrapers and breath sprays, that can be a great addition to your oral hygiene routine. Tip 3. Apply cologne correctly. Cologne can be a great addition to your scent arsenal, but it needs to be applied correctly. Don't spray too much, a little goes a long way. Apply it to your pulse points, wrists, neck, chest, and behind the ears. Invest in a good cologne instead of buying multiple cheap deodorants. One good cologne is always better than 5 cheap deodorants. It may be more expensive upfront, but a high-quality cologne can last longer and make a bigger impact on your overall scent. And if you're looking for recommendations, I recommend checking out the description below where I've listed some of the best colognes with reasonable prices. Tip 4. Keep your environment clean. Just like Max's apartment caused him to smell bad, your surroundings can affect your scent too. Make sure to keep your clothes, shoes, and living spaces clean and free of dirt and odors. Use air fresheners, open windows, and do laundry regularly. And if you smoke, try to avoid smoking indoors, as it can cause your clothes and hair to smell like smoke. Tip 5. Mind your diet. Your diet can affect how you smell, so be mindful of what you eat. Foods like garlic, onions, and spices can cause bad breath and body odor. On the other hand, foods like citrus fruits, green vegetables, and lean proteins can help neutralize odor and keep you smelling fresh. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on grooming, fashion, and lifestyle. Also, don't forget to check out the description below for more information on the products and colognes mentioned in this video.